I'm gonna show you how to play Good Guys on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So for this song, you're not gonna need a capo, and it's gonna be in standard tuning. The chords you'll need: C, open 3, 2, open 1, open. E minor, open 2, 2, open, open, open. And F, 1, open 3, 2, 1, 1. If you can't get that 1 with your thumb up here, just play open, open 3, 2, 1, 1. Or just open, open 3, 2, 1. Verse 2. The strumming pattern is going to be just straight down, up, 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 down, up. Just like that. Just down, up, 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 throughout the whole song. So the verses go. And the chorus also goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.